Fortunate questions.
Here we go. It's once again time for
Okay, let's
Fortunate
make this one
Questions.
I'm hungry.
It's getting close to lunchtime, and our battery is about exhausted on our video camera.
Ted Thomas, Orange County, California.
Ooh, Ted.
Should I be using a light meter?
Ted. I don't use a light meter.
I don't use a light
I just
meter.
don't. If you're doing studio work, yeah, of course, Ted, use a light meter if you do studio work. If you are, I can't even talk. If you are a commercial photographer, use a light meter. It looks
So
impressive.
you want to hear something real quick?
What's that?
I don't know a light meter anymore. I don't.
I know. I don't either.
Go ahead.
I actually
Flame
have an
me,
old
but I just
analog one but I don't ever use. I've not used a light meter in probably 3 years. So I wish we could say more to you, Ted.
Ted, that's all I got.
No,
It's probably a really boring Fortunate Question.
it really is. But again, our cameras now have such precise light meters in them now that we can do everything. We have Instagram. We actually have a what's that thing called? The big mountain, a histogram on the back of our camera.
We are so technical. That's why everybody follows the chop.
That mountain thing on the back. No, we can see what we're doing, what's happened in our exposure, and we like to chimp, and we just make decisions a lot of times based on chimping.
We are a couple of chimps.
chimps.
But hey, Ted, that's a good question, even though it's irrelevant.
It really is. It's not exciting, Ted, but you know
Ted,
what?
I just call Ted Tim.
Tim?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what I call him, but his name is Ted.
Okay. Well, Ted, guess what? We're going to send you, for that incredible question, a chopstick guy kit. And what's in that kit?
Yeah, it's got a couple of chopsticks,
And
some
a couple
cookies.
bowls and some cookies and some
Yeah,
stuff.
nobody's going to send in any questions just because of our sarcasm today. We must be really hungry. But no, it includes a bunch of cool chopstick guy stuff. So
No.
if you have a question, go ahead and send it below into the comments. And if we pick your question, we will send you the kit.
And don't forget, we love you, Ted. And
That's right, Ted.
say
Say
sushi.